Hello, in this video, I'd like to give an update concerning my Chalres Schwab Portfolio account. This is an account made up of individual stocks that I picked, that I researched, that I bought shares in. Now, usually I just give like weekly updates or monthly updates on how well or not so well the portfolio performed. But in this video, I unfortunately is going to showcase the worst day I've ever had so far as a stock investor. It occurred on September 13th, 2022. As you see on your screen, I lost $118 or 4% of my stock portfolio. I've been doing pretty good. So this channel is all about becoming good at investing, how to make money work for you instead of you working for your money. And I'm prepared to lose money sometimes. And I know this is a long game, but man, it does sting a little bit when you're going pretty good. And then one day, all it takes is one bad day and you are down for the year. So I started this account June 8th, 2022. And over the course of these, July, August, September, around 3 months now, I've been staying in the positive with a slight gain overall. But this day on September 13th has got me in the negative. I think I'm down $17 total over the life of this brokerage account. And it was largely due to what happened on September 13th, where I lost $118. And so that's 4% of my portfolio. The goal is to get to $3,000 by the end of 2022. So December 31st, 2022. Overall goal is to get to $100,000. Or excuse me, the short-term goal, I said $3,000. I was fully expecting to get to $3,000 here in the next week or so. $5,000 by December 31st, 2022. And I still believe I'll get there. I'll invest more money, and hopefully we won't have too many of these days like this. But I think what they said was this day, September 13th, 2022, is the worst day, single day for stocks since June 2020, and the pandemic was going on then, of course. But I got to stay the course. I got to not let it bother me that I'm down 4%, went from positive to negative in 24 hours, basically. And I'll just going to keep researching, make good decisions, practice good money management skills and behavior finance skills as far as how I think and my emotions attached to money. So it hurts a little bit, but in the long run, it doesn't. I don't think it'll affect me. I know it's not affecting me that much right now, and I know that the stock market goes up and down. I was down when I first started this account pretty much, and it took a while to get going, as you see here. Eventually it climbed up, but today or yesterday it went down. So let's see what the future holds, but I wanted to document the highs and lows of stock market investing, and certainly on September 13, 2022 was a low one where I lost almost over 4% of my portfolio. But it's only 4%. It's not 25%. It's not 50%. So hopefully I'll never see those days. It remains to be seen. But there you go. There's an update. Not so glamorous. It's all can't be stars and rainbows when it comes to investing. So this is part of documenting this journey, the highs and the lows, the roller coaster that is stock market investing. So if you want to keep up with this journey, if you want to learn how to get good at investing, as I'm learning how to get good at investing, and hopefully you watch this stock portfolio grow over the months and years, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, and I appreciate it. Hit that notification bell so you can get all the latest tutorials, all the latest updates, portfolio reveals, all those sorts of things that hopefully can help you make some money. Hopefully it can help you get closer to financial independence, financial freedom, and how to make money work for you instead of you work for money. All right, if you like this video, hit that like button. Until next time, hopefully them stocks will rise. Hopefully we can get in the green once again and say goodbye to the red for a little bit. And you all take care.